Cancer is the #2 cause of death in America and is near the top of the list in most other countries. Detecting cancer early before it can spread too much increases the odds of surviving that cancer and curing it. This is true even for the deadliest forms of cancer. The problem is that some cancers are hard to detect early on, and one does not have noticeable symptoms until the cancer is in a more advanced stage, when it is often too late to cure. Now, to detect cancers early, researchers have created an AI-powered blood test that can detect over 50 distinct types of cancer. They have had blood tests that can detect cancer before, but it was not as good as this one. The previous one only detected about 20 different types of cancer. This one detects more than 50. I am now quoting from the article in Intelligent Living here. The test employs a machine learning algorithm to search for methylation patterns, specific chemical changes to DNA that are associated with cancer. What it's looking for is cell-free DNA, which is something tumors and cancerous cells shed into the bloodstream. First, the researchers had to train the algorithm to be able to spot out the methylation patterns. They did this by feeding it data from over 3,000 blood samples and a circulating cell-free genome atlas, CCGA. Half of the samples had one of the 50 different types of cancer. Then the team put the machine to work on classifying a further 1,200 samples. Again, half of which had cancer. End of quote. This study was published in the Annals of Oncology. Michael Seddon, the senior author of the study, said about this, quote, "These data support the ability of this targeted methylation test to meet what we believe are the fundamental requirements for a multi-cancer early detection blood test that could be used for population-level screening. The ability to detect multiple cancer types with a single blood test that has very low false positive rate, and the ability to identify where in the body the cancer is located with high accuracy to help healthcare providers to direct next steps for diagnosis and care." End of quote. So hopefully soon, the blood test will be able to be used by the general population to detect many cancers, and hopefully this will detect a lot early, which will help them to be cured, which will save a lot of lives, which would be a good thing.